Week is a national event. It allows us to share what we do and why we do it with the members and the community.
The purpose of FFA Week is we try to outreach to our student body as well as to our FFA members within our chapter. We like to reward our members and remind them of why we do it and have fun. Every morning this week for FFA Week, we're going to have games for the entire student body to play out in the courtyard. Just a way to just outreach to the student body and involve everybody and remind them of who we are and what we do.
So make sure you join us for the games in the courtyard and wear blue and gold on Friday.